Hello guys, I'm Prestado and I'm going to discuss the chapter 5, which is the Python logic, bit and list operations. So for this session or for this topic, we're going to explain on how does it work, the Python operation, bitwise operation, and list operation. And then later on, I'm going to provide an explanation and example. So before we proceed guys, let's talk about first the operations, since we have the logical operation, bitwise operations, and list operations. So first one, which is the logical operation, so it provides three logical operators. So we have the AND, OR, and NOT. So it allows us to perform logical computation. So the AND operator returns true only if both operators are true. Okay, so are we clear with that? So next one, the OR. So operator returns true if at least one of the operator is true. And the last one, which is the NOT. Okay, so operators return inverse to operand. So next one, which is the bitwise operators or operations. So bitwise operations involve manipulating the individual bits of operands. So Python provides several bitwise useful when working with binary data or performing low-level operations. Okay, So lastly, we have the list operation. So Python's lists are flexible data structures that allows various operations to be performed on them. So this chapter covers key list operations, so including list concatenation, repetition, exceeding, slicing, checking for membership in modifying elements, appending, extending, inserting, removing, and sorting. So to wrap up this explanation, the logical, bit, and list operations provide ways to manipulate data, make decisions, and perform actions based on certain conditions. Okay, so by explaining each of these operations, so this chapter, the chapter 5, logic, bits, and list operations, so it equips us, a reader or a student, with a solid understanding of how to work logical operation, bitwise operation, and manipulate lists in Python. Guys, we have here the logical condition. So this code is checking two conditions. So whether A is greater than B and whether C is greater than B. And then if either of these conditions is true, it will print at least one condition is true. However, if both conditions are false, so it will print both conditions are false. So in this specific case, because A is greater than B, it will print at least condition is true. So let's try to run. And so lumabas siya, at least one condition is true. Is the bitwise operation. So we have an example here. We have two variables A and B. So the value of A is equals to 5 and the value of B is 3. So guys, nakikita niyo dyan. Okay, so this symbol, ito nakikita niyo yan, yung symbol na to, and hinighlight ko. So it is represent of the 5 is 101 and the binary represent of 3 is equals to 011. So in the OR operations, if any bit in either number is 1, so the result will be that bit as 1. So if both bits are 0, then the result will be 0. So ganyan siya guys. So in our case, when we perform the OR operation between 101 and 011, so the result is 111. Okay? So the binary representation of 111 is equals to the decimal value in 7, which is our final result. Okay? So nandito siya. Pag niran natin, ang magiging final result natin is 7. Okay? So clear tayo of the list of numbers. So ito yung list of operations. So nakikita niyo dyan. So the apprehend method is used to add an element to the end of the list. So in this case, we add the number 6 to the end of the list. Okay, so after this operation, the list becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So magiging 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 siya. Okay? So the insert method naman, ayan guys, so the insert method is used to insert an element at a specific index in the list. So in this case, we insert the number 7 at the index 2. So si number 2 magiging 7 yan later on. So this means that the current item at the index 2, which is 3, so and all the subsequent items are shift to the right. So after this operation, so the list becomes 1, 2, 7, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so next one, which is the remove method. So it is used to remove the specific element from the list. So in this case, we remove the number 3 from the list. So the first occurrence of the element is removed. So after this operation, so the list become 1, 2, 7, 4, 5, 6. So guys, let's try to run this list operations. Okay. So guys, nakita nyo, we have the output of 1, 2, 7, 4, 5, 6. Thank you guys for watching my video. I believe we have thoroughly discussed this topic, chapter 5, the logic, bit and list operations. I hope you learned something from me.